Life insurance seems to be very popular in other countries, India for example, where statistically most of you viewers are coming from. Life insurance also exists here in Germany, in fact, a couple of different types of life insurances. Of course, because Germany is the land of insurances, right? Should you get life insurance for yourself or for your family? And if so, which type of life insurance is right for you? Let's discuss all things life insurance in Germany in this PerFinEx insurance video. These 3 questions are most important when it comes to life insurance. So let's answer all of them and start with question 1, who should get life insurance? Or maybe even, who has to get life insurance because it's mandatory? I think it's mainly a combination of your personal and your financial situation that determines if you need life insurance or not. If you're single with no debt at all and just assets, I don't think you need life insurance if there's nobody dependent on you. Except if somebody demands it. I'm single and there's nobody dependent on me, so I don't need life insurance generally. But when I got the mortgage for our community investment in Düsseldorf, the bank demanded either life insurance or disability insurance. I had a disability insurance already because that is one of the most important insurances in my opinion, so we were good. In case some of you are wondering now, yes, a bank is allowed to demand that you get life insurance to secure the mortgage. They cannot demand you buy it from them, but they can demand that you get one from the life insurance provider of your choice. If you are a couple and both of you are working, DINK, double income, no kids, I don't think you need life insurance, except if you have a mortgage or any other debt, of course. If only one of you is working and the other person stays at home, then life insurance may be a pretty good idea. And in that case, you want to do the overcross life insurance, which we'll talk about later on. And lastly, before we come to the different types of life insurance in Germany, if you're a family with kids, getting life insurance is probably a good idea no matter what your working situation is. Maybe not if you have a lot of investments and no debt, but as life insurance costs only a couple of euros per month anyway, I think it's a small price for the peace of mind to see your kids grow up without any financial trouble. Emotional trouble for sure if a parent passes away, but at least no financial trouble. What type of life insurance exists here in Germany? Generally speaking, there's 2 different types. The first type is the small life insurance with up to 50,000 euros death benefit. As that is a pension with extra death benefit, you are building up savings and investments that are returned to you even if you survive the contract. So you are saving money, the money is invested for you in ETFs or mutual funds, and when you retire, you get your money plus capital gains with tax benefits. We talked about the fact that pensions are a very tax efficient way of saving for the long term already in many videos, a lot more efficient than a standard ETF savings plan. And when you pass away before retirement age, some pension companies pay an additional death benefit which can be up to 50,000 euros high. If you want or need more than 50,000 euro death benefit, because for a mortgage of your family's house, 50,000 euros is not that much in the grand scheme of things, the second type of life insurance may be better for you. With a risk life insurance or term life insurance, you are building no assets. That's what separates the 2 types of life insurance. This second type is a risk insurance only. The contract is set up for however many years you like, as is the death benefit. You can choose how much death benefit you want from your life insurance. The more you want, the more the life insurance is gonna cost, of course. If you pass away during the contract lifetime, the life insurance pays your death benefit. If you outlive the contract, you get nothing. This type of life insurance is very straightforward, focusing on the pure risk of death only. Important! There are some life insurances that promise a cashback in case you outlive the insurance contract. And that's the classical case of, it sounds nice, but it's bad and you shouldn't get it. Because the amount of cashback you're supposed to receive is usually determined at the end of your life insurance contract only. It's not like the cashback of the private health insurance, which is clearly determined and which you get every single year as a member of the private health insurance. The cashback from these life insurances is some amount of money that nobody knows in advance, and it's paid to you in 10, 20 or 30 years. Whenever your life insurance ends. What we usually get for our clients is life insurance with instant rebate. With these types of life insurances, you don't pay, for example, 12 euros a month with the promise of some cashback later on. You pay maybe only 8 euros a month and therefore receive an instant rebate by paying less from the very beginning. We did the calculations and like this a lot better. Clients like it a lot better too. Let us know in the comments if you have any argument why the life insurance with cashback is better than the life insurance with instant rebate. We found none. Last but certainly not least, let us discuss the most important details when choosing the right life insurance for yourself. First, and we discussed this earlier, what is your goal when getting life insurance? Do you want to insure the risk of death as cheap as possible? Then get a term life insurance. Or do you want to upgrade your pension with an additional death benefit on top? In that case, get a pension with death benefit. Or you get both if you have both goals. And as ever so often in the world of financial planning, this doesn't have to be an either-or decision. Here in Germany, there are more than 25 different term life insurance companies, most offering multiple different life insurance plans. And we help our clients select the best one for their individual situation. If you would like our help as well, which is free for you because we're paid in affiliate commissions, you can book a meeting with us right here. If you would like to get a life insurance on your own and do all the work yourself, then pay attention to this. Most life insurance companies offer different plans. Some companies up to 11 different plans. Every life insurance names their plans differently, but most cheap life insurances are called basic, standard, light, whatever. And the better plans are called premium, comfort, plus, exclusive. I think you get the point. There's a cheap version and a better version. What's the difference? The cheap version is very straightforward. If you're dead, they pay out the death benefit. The better life insurance can also pay while you're still alive. If you have a deadly disease, for example, with no chance of surviving. That can be really nice if medical bills are stacking up when you're trying to treat whatever illness you have. And don't think that the public health insurance will pay for that. Not even the private health insurance will pay for all treatments that you can think of. So this better life insurance may be the only way to pay for some special treatments. If you are getting life insurance as a couple, very important, so listen closely. Do the overcross life insurance we talked about earlier. Overcross life insurance is splitting the two people involved in the contract owner and the insured person. If you get a separated life insurance and worst case happens, the surviving spouse will inherit your life insurance payout, meaning you have to wait months for the death benefit to arrive on your bank account. And it's not because of the life insurance company, it's because the inheritance process is slow as fuck here in bureaucratic Germany. And second, depending on the amount of life insurance you have, the surviving spouse may have to pay inheritance tax on the death benefit. Waiting for months and paying taxes, that's not good. With the overcross life insurance, you separate the insurance owner and the insured person. If the worst case happens now, you will get the death benefit on your bank account in just a couple of weeks and you pay 0 taxes, because it's a payout from your own life insurance contract. A different person's life was insured, yes, but it's your own life insurance payout. And that's not taxed. And lastly, choose the life insurance company and life insurance plan that is the best for your personal situation. It sounds obvious, but there's so many details that we cannot even mention all of them here without making this video an hour long. It depends on your job title, if you are employed or self-employed, on your highest degree, your residence status, if you do the overcross life insurance or not. So many details to consider for this ever so important insurance. If we can help you with that, let us know by booking a free meeting right here. And now, I wish all of you a long and healthy life without ever needing the payout from a life insurance.